Hello everyone, this is Sia Vijit Misra and welcome to this new video. In this video, I'll be discussing about the tradingview.com. The first question, why to understand the tradingview.com. So tradingview.com is a fantastic website where you can analyze the stock, the crypto and different class of assets technically. So in my also videos in future, I am going to use, or I have even also used many times, the tradingview.com for analysis of the different type of stock. So due to that, basically I am going to explain about the tradingview.com. And second thing also, you should understand about the software so that in future you can analyze on your own different stocks and different asset class. So due to that, this is very important video to understand, and this is serious video. So in this video, I'll be broadly dividing this video into 4 parts. In one video, I'll be talking about this top panel or all the features what are available in the top panel. And in the next video, I'll be discussing about the features available in the right panel of the tradingview.com. And the next video, I'll be discussing about the features of the left panel of the tradingview.com. And in the fourth video, I'll be taking some of the case studies. I'll be discussing about some of the stocks where I'll be using all the panels and I'll be analyzing the stock. So let's start this video. So in this video, I'll be talking about the top panel. So what is the top panel? Top panel is basically these areas where different symbols are available or different features are available, and we're going to analyze or we're going to understand different features what are available in the tradingview.com's top panel. So here you can see my mouse is here. So basically here you can see your profile name and profile details, etc. But here one of the most important feature what you need to understand is about the dark color theme and white color theme. Right now you can see the theme whatever I am using here, it is basically dark color. So many people like me, I love this dark color theme. So always I use the dark color theme because this is very interactive for me. So you may be a person who may like the white color theme. Take the example, you want the white color theme, just come here, come to this bar menu or come to this tab, and here you can see there is a dark color theme is available. Just switch off that one. If you switch off that one, you can see there is a white color screen you are seeing where all the price of the different stocks that you can analyze. Take the example, you are a person like me and you don't like this white color theme, then simply go to this tab and just click on the dark color theme. So when you are clicking on the dark color theme, you can see the entire screen is visible and it is looking a dark color. So this is basically the first feature of the tradingview.com's top panel, which may be useful for you to understand. And we'll go to the second feature or second tab, which is basically the symbol search. So what is the meaning of symbol search? Take the example, I'm going to analyze a stock, I'm going to analyze a index, or I'm going to analyze a commodity. In such a case, they have a particular symbol in the market. So by searching that symbol, you can easily find and analyze that particular stock. Take the example, right now you can see in my screen, HDFC Bank stocks data is available. But right now I don't want HDFC Bank, I just want Axis Bank. So I just go to that particular menu and I just put on the Axis Bank. Okay, you can see right now whatever the TradingView, whatever the screen you are seeing here, this is basically Axis Bank's screen. Okay. So remember one thing, in the symbol search, just focus on my mouse, wherever is my mouse. In the symbol search, you can go and you can choose, let's take the example, I want to analyze certain types of stock, just click here. You want to analyze the crypto, tell the Bitcoin and all of the index, that also you can click. And so you want to analyze the indices means Nifty index, or you can see Bank Nifty, or different types of index that are available in the market, that also you can analyze. Same manner, what are the bonds available in the market, that also you can analyze. Economy also you can analyze. So remember one thing, whenever you are choosing this particular symbol search menu, always put or always fix this or always save this as all. Why all? So take the example, right now I'm analyzing a stock. Take the example, I'm just putting my I'm just selecting the stock menu and I'm putting Nifty, NIFTY. You can see nothing is coming actually. You can see Nifty Beach is coming, but Nifty is not coming. Why it is not coming? Because Nifty is not a stock. Nifty is an index fund. Okay. So as I have chosen the menu as stock menu, so due to that, Nifty is not coming as it is not a part of stock. So this problem may arise every time. So due to that, what you can do, simply come here, select all. Anything you can search here. Take the example, I want to analyze Nifty, NIFTY. So you can see Nifty 50 is coming. I want to analyze a stock. I want to analyze Reliance. Okay. So I want to analyze the Reliance industry. Reliance industry also coming. So take the example, I want to analyze Bitcoin divided by, or Bitcoin with USD. Okay, so you can see also Bitcoin also is coming. If I want to USD, then I just can select. Okay, so Bitcoin also is coming. So that is basically what I'm trying to say. Whenever you're choosing the all menu, so that will be helpful for you. So whenever you're choosing the all menu, you can choose anything. You can choose the stock, you can choose the forex, you can choose the crypto, you can choose the indices also. So due to that, you can like use this particular menu. Okay, so let's come to the next menu. Next menu is basically, you can see there is a compare or art symbol. What is the meaning of compare or art symbol? So whenever we are comparing two stocks, so that time we can use this particular menu. Remember one thing, when to compare or how to compare, you have to always compare the two stock within the same industry. Example, here you can see I have choose the Axis Bank stock and I want to understand how the HDFC Bank is performing as compared to Axis Bank. So take the example I want to understand. I'll just come here. I'll just come to the comparison symbol. I'll put here and I'll just put HDFC Bank. Okay. So you can see HDFC Bank. Just click here. That's all. It's done. So take the example I want to understand in the last 1 month how the HDFC Bank and how the Axis Bank have performed. Just click here, you can see here. So this is basically the symbol of HDFC Bank and this is the symbol of Axis Bank. In the last 1 month, Axis Bank has given a negative 0.19% return and also HDFC Bank has given a 2.22% return. I want to understand the last 6 months how the HDFC Bank and how the Axis Bank, they both have performed. So you can see HDFC Bank has given a minus 10.28% return and Axis Bank has given a minus 9.4% return. Same manner, last 5 years, if I want to understand how HDFC Bank and Axis Bank, they both have performed, you can see HDFC Bank has grown by 66% during the last 5 years, whereas the Axis Bank has grown only by 30% in the last 5 years. So this is basically to understand, to analyze how two banks are performing. Based on that, you can decide, or you can decide. Take the example, you want to allocate some amount of money to the banking stock and you have chosen like HDFC Bank and also Axis Bank. Based on the history, what you can see, HDFC Bank is compounding your wealth in a much more faster manner as compared to Axis Bank, or you can say in a double, where Axis Bank has given only 30% return during the last 5 years, but HDFC Bank has given a return of around 66%, which is double, you can say. So this is the way you need to understand or you need to analyze the stock. Okay, so this is all about the what I can say, the comparison symbol. Done. Then we'll come to the next like symbol. Next area is basically, you can see we can choose the like chart. We can choose the chart for different time period. I'm so sorry, I'm using a free version of Tradview. Due to that, all these pop-ups are coming, but you can ignore. So take the example, I want to analyze a stock or I want to analyze the chart for 1 hour, because I'm a short-term trader. I want to analyze the chart for 1 hour. Here you can see what are the chart you are seeing here. This is basically the 1 hour chart. Means in every 1 hour, what are the index like performances happening. Based on that, this is the data it is showing. Take the example, I'm a long-term investor. I want to see like weekly, monthly, like that. So just click on the weekly. Here basically you can see the weekly chart. So the period you are covering right now from 2021 to 2022, like July. So which is quite good. Same manner, take the example, you want to choose a data for 1 day. Simply click on the 1 day. Here the data, whatever you are seeing, like this is basically per day data. The chart, whatever you are seeing, this is per day data. Okay, this is all about the this symbol. Okay, so this is basically, you can see, so you can use, basically take the example, you want to analyze for the short-term purpose, you want to analyze for the long-term purpose. Based on that, you can decide whether you want to analyze a daily chart, whether you want to analyze hourly chart or second chart, minute chart, depend upon you. So that is basically you can use. Okay, so this is all about the data. And second thing also, I'll just say in this particular like tab, you can see there is a range, actually 1000 days. So this is basically the chart, 1000 like days it will cover. So based on the 1000 days, you can see how the chart is looking. So don't like go to that like particular area, leave it. So anyhow, this is not useful for you. So you can just choose whether it's 1 day chart, 2 day chart, if it's 1 weekly, based on that. The next area is basically the line. So here basically you can choose different types of chart that are available in the market or in the website. So example, so take the example, this is a line chart. So I have chosen right now, and I just want to choose a candlestick. Just simply come to this tab and choose the candlestick. Right now the chart, whatever you are seeing, it is a candlestick. Same manner, take the example, you are a pro trader, you want to use a bar chart. Simply click on the bar chart and you will understand the bar chart. So remember one thing, right now or in the future also I'll be using the two charts. One is candlestick and one will be the line chart. So which is basically easy to understand for a common man like us. So based on that you can decide if you're a pro trader, then accordingly you can just look into different type of chart that are available in the website. Okay. The next symbol is basically the indicator. So what is the indicator? So indicator is basically, you know, there are different people talk about like moving average, this, that, or RSI, RS, which I'll be discussing in the future. But what happened actually, this you can use. Take the example, I want to see the moving average price for this particular stock or Axis Bank. What I want actually, my strategy is basically whenever the Axis Bank stock is below the 200 is moving average price, that time I'll be taking a buy position and I'll be holding that stock. So in this case what I have to do actually, I will just choose exponential moving average, exponential, just click on that right now. So let me just choose the chart as a candlestick chart. So you can see below the candlestick chart, below the candlestick chart, there is a line is coming. So this line is purely a indicator, which is basically the exponential moving average. For how many days? It is for 9 days. So you can see here. So take the example, I'm just coming to the setting and you can see the length is 9 days. I want 200 days. Okay. So I'll be just 200 days, type 200 days and just click on the OK. Done. So right now you can see Axis Bank's stock, 200 is moving average price is how much? 200 moving average price is right now. This is coming around 706, but right now the stock is trading at 670, which is a gap of around even 30-40 rupees, 30 rupees. So based on that I can decide. So this is basically, remember one thing, this is not my buying recommendation, this is not my buying strategy, but what I am trying to show you how to use this indicator, what I can say, tab. So again I'm just repeating. So indicator tab is basically used to put an indicator on that particular chart to understand how the stock is performing or how the stock is going to perform based on the history, based on different types of technology or technique that are available in the market. So that is all about the indicator chart. Okay. And here you can see there is a favorite option is coming. Favorite option is basically, take the example, you can see right now I have favorite like relative strength, super trend and some other options. Take the example, I want to click that exponential moving average EMA as my favorite. You can see there is a star symbol is coming. Simply click on the star symbol. Now the star symbol is coming yellow. Okay, just close this one. If you come to the favorite, you can see right now moving average exponential is coming as a favorite. So again I'm repeating, if you want to add something as a favorite, just come to the indicator and just type that particular what I can say indicator, what you want to make it as your favorite. Just come here and there is a star option is coming. The star option, just click, make it yellow mark. If you make it yellow mark right now, it can become your favorite indicator. Okay, so that is all about the indicator. And next option is basically indicator template. So indicator template is basically, take the example, I want to make a particular template and I want to save the template so that in future whenever I'm coming to this website, no need to do anything, simply put the template, analyze and go. That is the way. Take the example right now, my best what I can say best strategy is basically exponential moving average. You can see here there is an indicator I have saved indicator. Just if I click on that indicator, simply you can see the exponential moving average 9 days is coming. Okay, so this is the useful, but no need to go to the indicator, no need to add different indicators and analyze. Simply come to the favorite or save indicator template and here simply just click and you can aram se do your work. So what we can do actually, let me just show you how to add this particular item as a save indicator. Take the example, just remove. You want to, okay, I have removed right now. So take the example, I want to make the exponential moving average exponential, and that is basically for 200 days. 200 days I want to make it as favorite. Okay, so I'll just click here. You can see right now this is 200 days. I want to make this template as my default template, or I want to use this template in future. What I have to do, come to this right now what you did actually, you just put that indicator in this particular chart, come to this indicator template, save the indicator template, just click on the save the indicator template, what you want. So I'll just put my name Avijit. So just save, done. Right now the indicator has been saved. Let's remove this template. I'm just putting HDFC Bank. I just want to understand HDFC Bank. Right now the chart is basically available for the HDFC Bank. So in the HDFC Bank, what I my strategy is basically whenever the stock is below 200 is moving average, that time I'll be purchasing this stock. I'll come to the indicator, simply click on the widget. Now exponential moving average formula is already there for 200 days moving average, you can see. And simply what I'll do, take the example, right now the moving average price is like 1420 and the stock is available at 1397. Simply I'll buy and I'll exit. So why this template is required basically, or indicator, or you can say save indicator is template is required. This is basically it will be helpful, it will be helping you to easily analyze the stock. Okay, so that is all about this you can say indicator template. Okay, the next thing what I am going to do, next thing basically I'll be putting an alarm. What is the meaning of alarm? Take the example, I'm a working professional, I'll be in the job, or I'll be doing some activities, I'll be having some business. So I just want to purchase the stock whenever the particular price like it is crossing or price is falling. So based on that, first we have to analyze the stock, and based on that you can just put an alarm. So take the example, in my case I just want to put an alarm in the HDFC Bank. Whenever HDFC Bank is crossing, how much is the value? It is crossing like 1400, 1400. Okay, only once. Okay, open what will happen actually, open ended I cannot give because this is a free version. Take the example, I'm just clicking here, you can see open version I can give. So we have to give an expiry time actually. Take the example, you want within 1 month or 2 months, that you can give. So then only you create a notify me. How will notify me in the app, or just a minute, got it. So notify me in the app, so I'll just remove notify as a pop-up, send an email, everything I'll just fix and just create. So what I created, I have created an alarm. So that is basically we're going to use whenever the like HDFC Bank is crossing 1400, I'm going to purchase the stock. As I'm a working professional, I'm just in the business, so I can't give the time to the, or I can't see it in the screen to understand when the price is coming 1400 like that. Simply I'll give a alarm. Accordingly, what will happen actually, I'll just get a alarm in my mobile phone. Based on that, I'll just purchase the stock. This is all about the feature of alarm. Correct. So you can see here there is alarm symbol is coming the right side. If you come to the alarm symbol, you can see HDFC Bank crossing like 1400. Then one like what I can say pop-up will come, or one thing will come. If you want to remove, just remove here. Just remove. Yes. Done. So this is all about the alarm feature of the Tradview.com. And the next feature is all about actually basically the next feature what I'm talking about. And the next feature is basically your reply. Or replay. So what is the meaning of replay? Take the example, I just want to put I have removed already. So I just want to put I just want to do a back testing. So what is the meaning of back testing? Just 1 minute. Yeah, so I just put the length as 200 days moving average, exponential moving average. Right now my strategy is fixed. My strategy is basically when the HDFC Bank is falling or touching the 200 is moving average, that time I'll start purchasing the stock. And I want to back test. For example, I want to understand if I had done the same thing in the past, how I had like on the profit. So what I have to do actually, just come to the replay, just click here. Okay, so you can see the one like there is a green line is coming. You can see the green line is coming, correct. So just come to the green line, just okay, select here. To understand, so what you understand basically what I did actually, I want to analyze whenever my stock, whenever the HDFC Bank is below or touching the 200 days moving average price, I'll be taking a buy position and I'll be holding that stock, and I want to understand how in the past the stock has performed. So this is basically the replay option. So I'll just click on the play. Okay, so you can see here this area you can see. So take the example, right now what happened actually, my moving average price is like this price and HDFC Bank followed like below that. I purchased the stock at this level. Right now what happened, my stock is increasing like anything. I have taken a position of around like 1080, but right now the stock is trading at around 1350 or 1400, and there is a huge profit, you can say. So what I'll do actually, so what basically you're doing, just you decide a strategy and you want to back test how the stock has performed based on that strategy. Accordingly in future you can take the decision. So you can see clearly in the back testing what happened actually, I have taken the position here. The stock has gone to like 1500, and within a span of like you can say few months. Okay, so this is basically used for the backtesting purpose, this replay option, so which is very much useful. So what you can do actually whenever you're making a strategy, so in that strategy you can simply just backtest, so by using this particular option. So now you understand so what is the backtesting and why we use this replay option, correct? So what I'll do, I'm just doing actually, I'm just removing this backtesting exit. Okay, right now you understand about the backtesting. And the next option is basically you can see here select layout. So select layout is basically you can choose like 2 screen, 3 screen, like that. But remember one thing, these are available only in case of paid version, not in case of free version. So we can't do anything because right now I have a free version. Same manner you can see here there is a setting option, you can choose something. Full screen is basically, take the example, I want to see in the full screen, I want a big screen to analyze the stock. So due to that you can just choose this full screen. So just I'm putting escape so that now I'm getting that original screen. And then after there you can see there is a take a snapshot. So what is the meaning of take a snapshot? Basically take the example, I want to take a snapshot and I want to share this particular thing in my like what I can say in my social media website or social media platform. So take the example, save chart as image. So I'm just saving this chart as image. I'll be coming here, just open that like particular thing. So you can right now you can see whatever the chart, whatever things like whatever the chart was there. So that basically it has taken a screenshot, and this screenshot also you can share in the social media platform and many other website. Okay. So this is broadly the features whatever available in the top like panel, which is quite important actually to understand and to like they use on a day-to-day activities. So I'll be revising within 1 to 2 minutes what are the thing we understand. The first thing what we understand from here basically the most important feature what is available is basically dark theme and white theme. So which is basically you have to decide actually whether you are useful or whether you like the white screen or dark screen. That is basically you have to decide. Same manner you can see here there is a symbol search option where you can put the stocks like symbol or the index symbol or the cryptocurrency commodity any symbol. And the next option is basically the compare or R symbol. So this is basically used for comparing the two stocks which is available in the same sector, or also based on your analytical skill, so that you can decide key what you want to compare. And you can just come here and you can see basically this is basically used for this tab is basically used for to bring the data for 1 day, 2 days, 1 hour, 2 hours, or few weeks, depend. And this is basically the different types of chart available in the market, or different types of chart you want to analyze, line chart, candlestick, etc, etc. This is used for indicators. Indicators basically you want to analyze the stock by using different indicators like exponential moving average, simple moving average, RSI, RS, all the things. And this symbol is basically favorite. Take the example, I have a favorite of my favorite is basically exponential moving average. I can save the particular like index, particular like strategy, and I can execute in the future. And this basically indicator template. Indicator template is basically whenever we use more than like one indicators to analyze the particular stock, and we want to fix that one, we want to save that indicator like template, so that in future whenever we want to use that one, aram se we can just use that one. Instead of going to the indicator symbol, simply we can just execute and we can analyze. That is basically used for this purpose. And next option is basically alarm. So alarm is basically what? So if I want to fix an alarm, like take the example, the HDFC Bank is crossing like 1400, then only I'll go for a buy position. I can just put an alarm here, so that if I'm working in office or working somewhere or doing something, then I'll get a pop-up in my mobile phone and also in mail and also in the system, so that I can analyze particularly, I can just enter and buy the stock. This is all about the alarm. So replay option is basically used for like doing the replay or backtesting purpose. So take the example, you have designed a particular strategy, and that strategy you want to like check, or you want to understand how it is performing in the different market or different stocks. That basically you can do the backtesting by using the bar replay. And that is all about. And next step is basically just select layout. That is basically you want to put 2 to 3 like screen in one of the system, that basically you can use. Same manner you can just make it as full screen and also take a photo. So that is all about the top panel of the tradingview.com, which is very, I hope this video is very much useful for you. And in our next video I'll be discussing about the right panel, and in third video I'll be discussing about the left panel. Then after we'll take some of the stocks and we'll analyze how to understand how to analyze the stock. And in future I'll be using this tradingview.com for my day-to-day analysis purpose. So thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye. Please subscribe to my channel and please like and subscribe and also comment. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.